Downloads of Signal Messenger have gone through the roof since Elon Musk's tweet and changes to WhatsApp's terms and conditions. To these you new users, I have a few words. First, welcome. Second, fuck you. You could have all downloaded Signal years ago in an incremental fashion, but now you decided to crash it for the rest of us. I mean, Facebook destroyed democracy. Do you really think they care about WhatsApp? Before we go any further, there has been some misleading information about Signal's security. The BBC published an article which has since been corrected about the claims of an Israeli security firm, Cellebrite. The only way Cellebrite could access Signal was physically accessing the device itself. It's basically the equivalent of someone snatching your phone and taking screenshots of all your messages. Signal is the best end-to-end encrypted messaging platform available to the general public. This is evidenced by the fact that the Conservatives in the UK, the European Commission, and even the US Senate use Signal, which is ironic given that many of these organizations want encryption backdoors. Signal is a privacy-first application. Features are only enabled if they're compatible with the rock-solid security that Signal provides. I have been using Signal for the last 4 years, watching it go from strength to strength, and I love it. So much so that I will only date guys who will download their app. Signal is my way of saying that I love you. Here are some of my tips and insights for using Signal. To use Signal, you need a phone number. This does not need to be your cell phone number. You can use a VoIP number if you so choose. I had an issue with a family member where they could not hear me, but I could hear them. It turned out to be the permission settings on the phone. So ensure that you have enabled the permissions for the microphone if you plan on making voice or video calls. My favorite thing about Signal is the desktop app. The app only supports one phone, so I use the beta version for my second phone. Once you've installed the app, you just scan the QR code to pair the device. For security reasons, only messages sent after the pairing will appear on the app. You can send emojis without ever having to use a mouse. Back in the day, you would use a code. For example, the laughing emoji, you would type : joy : They have since added an emoji picker, but if you learn the codes, I rate it's faster. If you have not opened Signal on your computer for a long time and you've sent a lot of messages, it will take some time for the messages to sync. One issue that I had last year was that my desktop app would start going wonky after a couple of months. I've since switched from the official app in the Ubuntu store and downloaded the app directly from Signal. If this does not happen, you just need to clear and re-add your phone to the desktop app. Signal has rolled out calling functionality to the desktop app, which works really well. I've not tried the video calling feature, so I cannot comment on that. Signal pins allow you to back up supporting data and restore it in the event that your phone is lost or stolen. In the past, with Signal, if you lost your phone, then the profile went with it. Make sure you keep regular backups of your device. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. So, bye-bye.